channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to skew in the Figma, skew the card, shapes and the buttons. So guys, if you want to skew, for this guys, first of all you simply select the component that you want to skew. Now simply go for the option of actions. In the action section guys, here you simply search the skew. Now if you are not getting anything, so you simply click on the option plugin widgets. Now here you see that one of the most famous skew that any layer of the group with large preserve to edit. So around 627 user with 7.1k. So you just click it and click the option of run. Now it's loading the skew. Now you put it into side and now here you can check when I move it. So guys, here you check my image is also skew. Okay, so this is the way that you can do if you want to use put send. So that's it. So this is a simple way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.